Hi guys, I thought I'd take a bit of time out to give you a walkthrough on the Dukascopy PAM platform, just to make it a bit quicker really for people out there who are looking at the system, to see whether they might use it. It's something that I've been using for about a year and I'm really happy with it. So I just wanted to give you, as I said, an idea of how the clients set their accounts up, how you authorize them on your side, and I think probably in another video, because I'm not going to have enough time to do it all in one go, how to work your way through the platform as a trader. So to start off with, you've got your, if you go to the portfolio and look at our client accounts, let me just bring this over, see if I can quick look. You can see at the moment we've got two clients, one with $100,000 and one with £1 million. It gives you the percentage allocation of the fund between them, and it gives me the opportunity to deactivate the accounts if I don't want to work with that client for whatever reason. I can also see that in the pipeline, I mean, it's obviously got my name down here because it's the demo account that I'm showing you, but in the pipeline we've got another potential client who's got €500,000, and we're waiting for the client to accept and give us authorization to actually trade their funds. So if we do that now, if we go and have a log in, and just 2 seconds, let's see if I can find their account. Right, here we go. Sorry about that. The client would go on, they've got their own login. Alright, 2 seconds. Let's just go back. Okay, so we brought up the client's side of things. They go onto their own account and log themselves in. So this is client number 3. And we can see their back office now of their account. They can see that they've got €500,000 available to be traded. Now the first thing that the client does is set their stop loss. So for this client we're going to set a stop loss of €400,000. Therefore if the account drops down to that level, it will take them out of any positions that the fund might be in, and also stop the trader from being able to trade their funds any further. And it really is as easy. If they want the funds to be traded, they just simply press activate. So if we come out of there now, there we go, and we go back to the trader's side of things and back to client accounts, we should have, here we go, on the right side we've got the option to activate the account. So we'll do that. And the account is enabled. So that makes things really simple, and I think those guys of you out there who are doing money managing, it makes our process so painless because the client's in control really. They're ultimate control of their money, because if they don't want to play anymore they can just deactivate the account, which is good, and it certainly works for me, and the transparency of the system works for me very well. And you can see here that the client's got the opportunity, if they don't want to play anymore, they press revoke. Okay, so that's as simple as it is setting up the system. If we look at the reports now, client accounts I've just shown you. The next one that's really interesting is the commissions. Now the commissions are set up with each new client. They all sign a limited power of attorney, and on that document there is the commission structure, and it doesn't have to be the same for every client. You can set it whatever way you want, and there's 3 stages to that. Generally the setup fee, so if someone enters funds you can set a percentage of that. to come to you, which is useful if you are concerned that your clients are going to be taking money out really when you want to be trading it, and that it will cause them to think twice about putting funds in and then taking it out if they get charged, say, 1% of their money every time they put funds into the account. The second is the manager's fee, which is just like you expanding the spread really, and you getting part of the spread. So every time you press the button, you're going to get part of the spread, which is something you do, and that's calculated in dollars per $1 million traded. And then finally, the final commission is obviously your profit share. So you can set that to whatever you believe it should be. So say 20% is an industry standard. So any profits, and it's run on a high watermark basis. So obviously if you get the funds up, that's good, you'll get a percentage of the profits, but if the funds are below what the client put in, then obviously you're not going to get paid anything. We'll just have a quick look at that now. You're not really going to see a lot on this because we haven't done any trading, nothing's set up, but we've got a calendar, and this will show you your commissions as the month goes on, and on the 10th of each month there's a sweeper system that goes across all the accounts and puts the money into your account, so it makes things really, really simple for you. What else we got? Client action log tells you all the status changes on the account, so when you get new clients who come on and they might be inactive, you can see what actions were taken both sides of the table by everybody. Activity log, merge log. Don't think we need to go through those too much. And portfolio statement is a list of all your trades, but I think we'll go into that into the next video. I just wanted to give you the heads up on the trades. In fact, what we will do, put just a quick trade in. The market's pretty quiet at the moment, so I've got the slippage option as well, which is useful. Something because I don't trade big enough, unless you're trading up near £50 million positions, you don't need to worry about that too much. And we've got deal through charts as well, as you can see here. I'll just submit that. I just want to give you an example of how the account's split up. So as a trader, if we look down the bottom, we can see that we've got nearly £1.5 million in equity, which means we can trade £146 million worth of funds, and this gives us our profit and loss at the bottom, and the use of the leverage on the account, and we can adjust our orders and what have you, but I think I can get this thing to move. In fact, let's just close the position because I just want to show you what the fund does. So that closes the position. If we go back in now and look at the portfolio statement, takes a couple of seconds to churn through, and obviously on the client side they can see all of this as well, which is great. So they've got a real-time view of what the account stands at and what's going on. And we can see now that the clients' accounts have changed. They've all gone down slightly, and it's split out as per their percentages. If you remember when we looked at the client logs, we had an active account ratio of what percentage, and it splits those funds out. And then we've got brokerage commissions here, and when you get the live demo, what you'll see is your commissions are shown here as well, which is good. So I hope that's helped a little bit, give you an idea how the clients set their accounts up. I think we can probably do another little video just so you can look at the back office from the client's point of view, and we'll do that next. Hope that helps.